When it comes to powering your workstation or home office setup, reliability isn't optional. That's where this 8-foot heavy-duty AC power cable steps in. Designed with durability and performance in mind, it ensures your devices get steady, safe power without interruption. This power cord features a NEMA 5 to 15P plug on one end, perfectly compatible with standard North American outlets. On the other end, it sports an IEC 60320C15 connector, widely used for servers and networking equipment. Whether you're replacing an old cable or upgrading your setup, this cord fits seamlessly. Built with 14 Aruban fluorines thick gauge wire made from 100% copper, this cable can carry up to 125 volts at 15 amps. That means it's ready to handle high-demand devices without overheating or voltage drops. The jacket is made from durable PVC with an SJT rating, offering flexibility and protection even in busy office environments. Safety is a top priority here. This cable is UL listed under UL62 and UL817 standards, ensuring it meets strict electrical and fire safety requirements. It's also rated VW1 for fire resistance, giving you peace of mind that your power connection won't be a hazard in case of an emergency. What sets this power cord apart is its fully molded strain relief connectors. These prevent the cable from bending or fraying at the ends, a common failure point in lesser cords. The result? A longer-lasting cable that won't let you down during critical work sessions. Its temperature range spans from 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a variety of environments, from climate-controlled offices to warmer server rooms. The cable's outer diameter measures 0.36 inches, 9.1 mm, balancing flexibility with robustness. IT professionals trust this power cable for a reason. It's designed specifically to meet the demanding needs of servers, networking gear, and high-performance computers. Plus, it comes backed by a lifetime warranty and free multilingual technical support available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. One satisfied customer shared how this cable was the perfect replacement for the Dell MPS 1000 external backup DC power supply. It fit flawlessly and provided the thick, reliable power delivery needed to keep their system running smoothly, something they couldn't find through official Dell channels. If you're looking for a dependable power cord that combines safety, durability, and compatibility, this 8-foot 14 Aruban fluorines cable is worth a look. It's not just another accessory, it's a critical component that keeps your technology performing at its best. Installing this cable is straightforward, thanks to its universal connectors. Whether you're setting up a new server or refreshing your home office gear, you'll appreciate how easily it integrates with existing equipment without fuss. The black PVC jacket not only looks professional but also resists wear and tear, keeping your workspace neat and organized. It's an ideal choice for IT professionals who need cables that withstand daily use without compromising safety or performance. Beyond the specs, what really matters is how this cable improves your setup. You get consistent power delivery, reduced risk of outages, and peace of mind knowing your equipment is protected by a trusted UL-listed product. Ready to upgrade your power connections? This cable delivers what you need: robust build quality, excellent compatibility, and top-tier safety features. If that's you, consider making this your go-to power cord for workstations, servers, and networking devices. The lifetime warranty and expert technical support ensure you're never left in the dark. Should any issues arise, help is just a call or message away, making this cable a smart investment for long-term reliability. Don't settle for generic or underpowered cords that can jeopardize your equipment. This heavy-duty AC power cable stands out by meeting professional standards and offering a design built to last through countless power cycles. In summary, this 8 feet 14 Aruban Florens NEMA 5 to 15P to IEC 60320 C15 power cord is a practical, dependable solution for anyone serious about their technology setup. Its mix of safety, durability, and compatibility makes it an essential tool for IT pros and home office users alike. Whether replacing an old cable or outfitting new equipment, you'll find this power cord meets the challenge. Its robust construction and trusted certifications mean fewer worries and more uptime for your devices. If you want a power cable that delivers steady performance and safeguards your investment, this is the one to consider. Try it when you're ready, and experience the difference a quality cable makes.